Mama.
Yes. Aww. Hi Feds, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys getting awake face, you guys getting fresh face this morning. I am about to get some workout in, you guys, and I'm really tired because last night wasn't an easy night for me. I had to take Tyler in my bed and he had a long cough night. Tyler, can I say morning face? He's still not doing so well. So I am trying to get his tablet ready. See, he didn't even eat his toast and he just barely drank his hot chocolate. I was gonna give him tea, but he said he wanted hot chocolate, so he had half of that. And baby's off to work. I am going to try and get some workout in. I am not in the mood, but I'm gonna try and plug that mood in, okay? It has to be done because if I keep not working out, it's just going to get worse. I have to be back on my consistency road, so I'm going to do just that right now. So make sure you guys are getting your workout in. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day and just do what you have to do. Most times you won't be in the mood. Most times you always find an excuse not to work out, but you have to do it. Just do it and keep doing it, okay? I am not in the mood, but I'm gonna figure it out and get this workout in. So I'll catch you guys after workout. Hopefully I can get a real killer session in. That's the kind of cough he's having. And he had like, I guess because his throat is dry, he had like 2.5 of these throughout the night last night. What are you gonna listen to? Steve and Maggie?
No, it's skeletons.
Okay, skeletons. Mama is going to work out, okay? Okay, Ty? Ty? Mama is going to work out. Okay? You finished? Good job. At least I'm seeing progress. Good job, baby. You guys, ooh, it's feeling a little bit chilly inside, but it's so sunny and beautiful outside. Workout was an absolute success. Every single morning I always tell you guys, when I feel droopy, if you're feeling droopy, just start your workout anyway. That feeling will knock off. 90% of the time that feeling will go away, and that's exactly what happened this morning. I went all in and I just killed my workout session. So I'm all fresh right now and I am going to make breakfast this morning. I feel for toast, so I am going to have an avocado toast. So I'm gonna use avocado, 2 eggs, and this wheat bread right here. So that's what's breakfast gonna be this morning. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for breakfast, whichever day you guys are watching this. Let me know what you guys had for breakfast or what you guys are going to have for breakfast. though Tyler had a terrible night, he's not feeling too bad this morning. He's coughing and stuff, but he's just chilling on his tablet. Why are you looking at me like that? You want to pee-pee? Hmm? What?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Piggy son. He just chilling. He's a little bit warm, but he'll be okay. You don't want me to let go of your hand? Mama going to make breakfast. You coming? Come. You want to pee-pee? Let's go pee-pee. You want? Yeah. His nose is so stuffy. Mama gonna wipe your nose, okay? Outside in this beautiful sun and enjoy my breakfast. Isn't it beautiful outside, you guys? So pretty, no cold, just feels so good. First and beach view, perfection, perfection. Sun kiss. Sun is so good outside. Even Tyler is out, and you can tell that he's doing a lot better than yesterday. Hey Papa, he's been driving his cars and trucks. What you doing? You want the pet bed? Let me see your nose. Come in. You driving the train with Mama here? No. Drive it here.
Mama,
Yes, it's hot because the sun is hot. Drive it over there. I love to see when he's playing like this by himself.
Mama,
Yes?
I got
It's trucks and cars and trains. I'm so tired. I just finished making dinner for the fam bam. Dinner. Alright, let me show you guys what I made for dinner today. So today is kind of Sunday Monday leftovers. So what I did, I made mashed potato for Tyler and Babe. This is two potatoes, sweet potato and Irish potato mixed together, and Tyler have fish in here. For me, I have leftover sweet and sour chicken from yesterday, and that's going to go with this salad over here. And for Babe have the same mashed potato. He have a little sweet and sour and some fish. Yes, so dinner is ready, good to go. And mine is to go because I am heading to work. So dinner is all done. Now I am going to put Tyler down for a nap. I have a bunch of clothes to iron for Babe, and then I have some more stuff to do. Tyler's not going to the daycare today. Baby's coming home to take care of him in the afternoon, so I don't have to rush too much to head out to daycare, or else all this would have been done already at this time of the day. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to get on with my day. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys are staying productive. Keep your mind active, keep your body active, stay motivated and all that good stuff. I'm gonna get on with my day and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Tyler is still sleeping, and I just finished ironing all these shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 shirts later, and he's still sleeping, so that's good. I'm going to put these bad boys up and get some more stuff done around here. Somebody is awake. Look at that crazy hair. Hello. Crazy hair. You had a good nap? Yeah? Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go, Pee-Pee. Come.
Mama.
Damn, you're burning up. Oh my gosh, you're so hot. You're hot. Jeez. You guys, he's burning up. Oh, jeez. It's okay. It's so hot, yes, baby.
It's good to get milk.
You want chocolate milk? Alright, let's go have chocolate milk.
Milk.
Mama.
Mama.
Yes. Aww. You're burning up, my gosh. It's okay. Baby's home to take care of Ty. He is roasting with a fever right now, but baby's home. So
hi guys, yeah, I come back home with a sick baby, so my mission gonna be to take care of him. He will be okay, it's just very hot and not eating much, but nothing's to
worry about. It's normal, I guess.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, I am heading to work.
Hi guys, and good afternoon. I'm home with Tyler. Tyler back a little bit. He's not feeling too well, as you know. So he didn't eat much today. So this is his dinner. Hopefully he's gonna like it. Tu vas manger?
No.
Comment ça tu vas pas manger?
No.
C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça?
No.
Tu as faim?
No.
No. So Tyler not feeling too well. So gonna try to feed him. So guys, this is Tyler dinner just after he finished to eat. He didn't eat bad. Ça va?
C'est pas très.
It's not that hot anymore. He's feeling better. So yeah. Maybe it's the little ride that we did. We did the little ride outside, so maybe that's why it's feeling better. I don't know. So yeah, also it's feeling more cool in the house. So yeah.
My face. My face.
Good night, night. See you tomorrow. Because I'm going to bed. I'm going to put on pyjama. What a nasty side eye! You're so funny. Hey guys, Ty's off the bed. I gave him the honey, and of course he cried. I wanted you guys to see his reaction. It tastes terrible.
Smells terrible.
And it smells terrible. And now I feel my throat hurting, and I'm not taking that.
It's time to
Me? I am not taking that.
I'm gonna do like Tyler. I'm gonna put it in the sewing, and while you're sleeping, I'm gonna put it in your mouth.
It was a good day. Today was a good day. We're just coming on to end the vlog. So baby's gonna give
The French expression.
the French expression of the day.
The French expression for today gonna be être serré comme des sardines. Être serré comme des sardines mean to be packed like sardine. I don't know how you say sardine in English. It's sardine, like the fish that mean to be very, very, very packed, like 25 in one car. Yeah, serré comme des sardines. Understand? Say it.
Serré.
Serré.
Serré
Comme des sardines.
comme des sardines.
That's a good thing. Say it fast. Serré comme des sardines.
Serré comme des sardines.
Serré comme des sardines.
Serré comme des sardines.
Serré comme des sardines. That's the French expression.
Okay, so the Jamaican expression to that is small up yourself, or you pack uno pack the bus like sardine tin.
Gonna pack the bus like sardine tin.
Yes, same sardine.
Okay, same thing. You pack
Yes.
like sardine.
To pack. Yes.
Okay, so it's a French and Jamaican. We say the same thing.
Yes, we do say
Pack
the same
like
thing.
sardine.
See, we have something in common.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today.
You get it?
Make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, give this video. I can't speak. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time to the family, and please, guys, turn on your notification. It's very, very important that catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys
Well.